Alright, we're back working on the modified. Today, we're gonna be pulling the motor out because I gotta move that. We got the radiator slowly draining right at the moment into that little bucket. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Because I gotta weld some frame stuff over underneath the motor. And the motors shouldn't be that hard to pull. I've never pulled one before. This will be my first time. It shouldn't be that hard, so I'm just gonna do it. Alright, working on the mod again. We had some pretty major repairs we needed to do after I ground the old welds out. They really became really popping. Right here. Now, before you say anything about my welds, they're alright, they're good enough. Alright, the machine, it wasn't cooperating with me. I couldn't get it. I did weld at school for like 4 years. I was alright. Alright. Anyways. So, there was a piece under here, paper thin. So, I got this Dremel with a real tiny, I don't even know if you can see that. Real tiny. I wallered it out to where it was thick, and then I just got it all tacked up together. And down here at this ugly thing, it was also paper thin right through here. So we got that ugly welded up. This whole bar was like disconnected, and that one it had some problems. I might have to It's probably all right. Did have a little crack right here, so I tacked it up and ground it off, and yeah, and we got some leakage going on the transmission, but whatever, you know. I mean, I know the top guys are probably not whatever in it, but it's Monday. I race on Friday, and the motor's not in the car, of course. So yeah, I'm gonna get this all ground down. See, I might have to re-weld some of it. That one's got like 4 welds on this bar. This one's fine, the welder was working alright. That one's fine. I'll clean that one up and see how it is. I cleaned that one up, but I think I'm just gonna paint it. But, yeah. Got a lot of work to do. So, I guess we'll get it done. Alright, now I'm just gonna wire wheel the rest of there's a new weld down there because it needed some more, and then just wire wheel like those and that, and then I bought some black spray paint over it. And I painted all of my very nice high quality welds. It's like it's straight from Shaw. Like, look at that. I hope you can't see that because it's not great, but it's alright. So I left it. I grounded the rest of them off. So yeah, tomorrow we're probably gonna roll it out and wash all that gunk out of there and just kind of wash all the gunk away, and then stab the motor, get it all hooked back up, start getting it ready for this Friday and Saturday for 1,000 to win each night. So yeah, gonna get it all cleaned up, get it on the ground, and check ride heights, cause I don't really know what I'm doing, honestly. But if it's good, then when I race this weekend in the heat race, it's either gonna be 100% better or 100% worse. And I don't want to crash, but I mean, everybody uses load sticks. Load sticks don't lie. I'm just confused on why it was so far off. I mean, it's race day. We got a few things to do. And, well, we got to change this tire onto that rim. And then I'll see if I want to groove up. But other than that, we got the loads reset. Doing loads wrong last night. We got them reset, and now I got a setup that I'm trying. It's just some minor, I guess in the left rear is kind of a major change. We'll see how it goes, but the front end of the car should be a lot better. Anyways, we'll get to that.